Welcome to a journey where time stands still. Look down at the winding roads and the turquoise pulse of the river. It's a reminder that life is a journey, not a destination. Take a deep breath. Let the green canopy of the forest wash away your worries. Today, we find peace in the rhythm of the wild. In the heart of the bush, life continues its gentle cycle. Watch this mother kangaroo, a symbol of protection and grace. And there, tucked away in her pouch, a tiny joey peeks out at the world. It is in these quiet, unspoken moments of nature that we find the purest form of love and survival. From the stillness of the land to the roar of the sea. Watch the white foam crash against the ancient rocks. The ocean doesn't hurry, yet it conquers everything in its path. Let the sound of the waves sync with your heartbeat. You are powerful, you are resilient, just like the tide. Listen to the melody of the falling water. It's nature's own lullaby. As the wind dances through the golden grass, feel the gentle brush of the earth against your soul. Every leaf, every drop of water, tells a story of rebirth. You are part of this beautiful tapestry. A butterfly lands softly. A delicate reminder that change is beautiful. Among the floating lilies, there is a silence that speaks volumes. In a world that is constantly rushing, dare to be like the lily, still, rooted, and blooming in your own time. As the sun pierces through the morning mist over the stream, we find our final moment of clarity. Nature doesn't ask for anything, it only gives. May this peace stay with you long after the screen fades. If you found comfort here today, remember to breathe, explore, and protect our beautiful home. Until next time.